Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mikhail Antoni Irawan from class 632A04, Accounting Study Program. My name is 632300563. Here, I will explain the advanced English course material from meeting 1 to 6 to fulfill the project to replace the mid-semester exam scores. Meeting 1, a pastime to remember, talking about people, childhood, and memories. Meeting 1 explains about a character, childhood, and memories. In meeting 1, there is a story about a character named Jack Ma. This text explains the inspirational story and life journey of a character named Jack Ma. Here there is a glossary. 1. Magnate or noun. Wealthy and powerful person. Magnate is a noun. 2. Founder. A person who establishes something. Founder is noun. 3. Pen pals or friend. Pen pal is noun. 4. Venture. Something new and different in which there is a risk of failure. 5. Stock exchange. Place where stocks are bought and sold. Stock exchange is a noun. 6. Net. Remaining when nothing more is to be taken away. Net is adjective. 7. Resign. Give up one job position. Resign is a verb. Philanthropy. Giving of money and other help to people in need. Philanthropy is noun. Next is vocabulary focus. A. Birth. Example, Tiana had a baby yesterday. It was born at 1:15 yesterday morning. It weighed 3 kilograms. The word had, was born, weighed, use the past tense because of events that have already happened. B. Marriage. Example, Bill and Sarah got married. Sarah got married to Bill, not with Bill. They got married in church. They went on honeymoon to Italy. They were married for 20 years. The word married, when, were married, also use the past tense. See that. Example, then Bill became ill. He died last year. He died of heart attack. Bill is dead. Died is a verb. Dead is a noun. Dead is adjective. Vocabulary focus. Use to habitual past plus infinitive. Use to refer to something that you regularly did in the past but don't do anymore. Example, I used to smoke, but I have stopped. She used to be very shy. I used to be very messy. But now I am very neat. In a formal style, used to can have the form of a modal auxiliary verb, question and negative without do. Here is an example formal and informal question. Did you used to collect things? This is an informal question. Use you to collect things? This is a formal question. We can answer this question with, yes, I used to collect comic books. Or, no, I did not used to collect anything, but now I collect art. Next, be used to plus noun, ing. After be used to, we use a noun or an ing form. If you say that you are used to something, you mean that you know it well, you have experienced so much that it is no longer strange to you. Be used to plus noun. For example, I'm used to London traffic. I have lived here for 6 years. At the beginning, I could not understand the Londoners because I was not used to their accent. We can use uninformed after be used to, but not an infinitive. Be used to plus ing. For example, I'm used to driving in London now, but it was hard at the beginning. It was a long time before she was completely used to working with old people. Meeting 2. Caught in the rush, transportation problems, and city service. The second meeting explained what transportation can be used in the city and the problems that arise from transportation. Here there is a text entitled Transportation in Jakarta. This text explains what transportation can be used in Jakarta. The transportation that can be used is 1. Express railway line or take a bus or take a taxi if you wish to get to the city center of Jakarta with ease. 2. Ojek or motorcycle is widely used in Jakarta, although they are not part of the legalized public transportation. 3. Bajai. This is a very unique mode of transportation. It is a 3-wheel vehicle with blue or orange color. 4. Transjakarta. Transjakarta is a bus system which is modern and managed by the Jakarta administration through PT Transportasi Jakarta. 5. Jakarta Double-Decker Tourist Bus at Sarinah Tamrin. This is a new service from Transjakarta. It is double-decker and free ride bus tour, and they have 4 routes from History of Jakarta route, Modern Jakarta route, Art and Culinary route, and Jakarta Skyscraper route. 6. Commuter line is the only commuter train connecting Jakarta and the surrounding cities. Commuter line operates its service since 4 in the morning and finishes at midnight. New ways of getting around. In this text, there are 2 types of vehicle. Vehicle used at sea and vehicle used on land. On the sea, we can use outrider and power ski jetboard. On the land, we can use wheelman and the tricky scooter. Next is vocabulary focus. Adverb of quantity. 1. Countable noun. Countable nouns are things which can be counted, such as car, book, pencil, pen. For example, there are too many cars. There should be fewer cars. Non-countable nouns. Non-countable nouns are usually things which cannot be counted, such as rice or water. For example, there is too much traffic. There should be fewer cars. There should be less pollution. Next, adverb of quantity are also include very, quiet, almost, little, a lot, some, somewhat, rather, so, half, partly, wholly, completely, entirely, and totally. Next is indirect question from WH question. We use indirect question when we want to be more polite or tentative, hesitant or exploratory. We use indirect question when we are starting a conversation with someone we don't know or when we are asking a personal question. WH question include what, who, where, when, why, and how. Below, there are WH question and indirect question. 1. WH question with be. Example, where is the bank? For the indirect question of the WH question is, could you please tell me where the bank is? 2. WH question with do or did. For example, how often do the buses leave? The indirect question is, can you tell me how often the buses leave? Next, type of indirect question. There are two types of indirect question. First, yes or no question, which are reported by means of if or whether. For example, do you have a driving license? She asked me if I had a driving license. Next, WH question, which are reported by means of the question word. For example, why did you apply for the job? She asked me why I had applied for the job. Tenses change in indirect question. Tenses change if the introductory verb in the past tense. The police, for example, the police officer said to us, "Where are you going?" The police officer asked us where we were going. This indirect question does not use a question mark. Next, when we are reporting polite question, is when we don't generally change the tense. For example, where is the station? Could you tell me where the station is? This indirect question use a question mark. Remember, we only use do, does, and did in question and negative. When you are writing the dependent clause in an indirect question, do not use do, does, or did. For example, regular question. Where did the teacher go? Indirect question. Do you know where did the teacher go? This is an example of an incorrect indirect question. The correct indirect question is, do you know where the teacher went? Note, after the WH word, if or whether, use a sentence, not a question. Meeting 3. Time for a change. Houses and apartment. Lifestyle change and wishes. This meeting 3 explain a change that occur in our life. Break those bad habits. Some people leave work until the last minute. A lot of us cannot stop gossiping, and others always arrive too even late. These are not serious problems, but they are bad habits that can cause trouble. Habit like this was your time, and in some cases might even affect your relationship. Below is an example of a problem and a solution to solve the problem. I can do it tomorrow. Problem: do you leave project until the very last minute and then stay up all night to finish them? Then stay up all night to finish them? The solution is, people often put things off because they seem overwhelming. Try dividing the project into smaller steps. After you finish each task, reward yourself with a snack or a call to friend. Next, guess what I just heard? Problem: do you try not to talk about other people but cannot help yourself? Do you often feel bad after you have done it? The solution is, first, don't listen to gossip. If someone tells you a secret, just say, "Really? I have not heard that." Then think of some other news to offer about yourself. Never on time. Problem: are you always late? Do your friend invite you to even a half hour early? The solution is, set an alarm clock. For example, if a movie starts at 8 and it takes 20 minutes to get to the theater, you have to leave at 7 and set the alarm to go off at the time you need to leave. Next, there is a vocabulary focus. Evaluation and comparison. There are two evaluation. Evaluation with adjective, and for example, Apartments are not big enough for families. Apartments are too small for pets. Next, evaluation with noun. For example, apartments don't have enough parking space. House cost too much money. And there are two comparisons. First, comparison with adjective. For example, houses are not as convenient as apartment. Houses are just as convenient as apartment. Comparison with nouns. For example, apartment have just as many rooms as house. Apartment don't have as much privacy as house. Big, small, convenient is adjective. Parking space, money, privacy is a non-countable noun. Rooms is a countable noun. Wish. Use wish plus past tense to refer to present wish. For example, I live with my parents. I wish I did not live with my parents. I wish I had my own apartment. I cannot move out. I wish I could move out. Life is difficult. I wish it were easier. I wish it were not so difficult. My parents won't stop worrying about me. I wish they would stop worrying about me. After wish, where is used with all pronouns. Meeting 4. I have never heard of that. Talking about food, recipe, instruction cooking method. Here, there is a text entitled Food and Mood. This text explains what food we should and should not be eating, and the relationship between food and a person's mood. There is a glossary. Outsmart. Gain an advantage over somebody by being cleverer than them. Outsmart is a verb. Soothing. Make a painful part of body feel more comfortable. Soothing is adjective. Blues. Sadness. Blues is informal. Lean. Containing little fat. And lean is adjective. Grains. Seed of food plants such as wheat and rice, and grains is a noun. Vocabulary focus. A. Simple past versus present perfect. Use the simple past for complete event at a definite time in the past, and use the present perfect for event within a time period up to the present. For example, have you ever eaten snails? Yes, I have. I tried them last month. Did you like them? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. They were delicious. B. Sequence adverb. For example, first, mix the peanut butter and banana together. Then, toast the slice of bread. Next, spread the mixture on the toast. After that, put the sandwich in a pan with butter. Finally, fry the sandwich until it's brown at both sides. Meeting 5. My trip, my adventure. Talking about travel, vacation, and plans. Here there is a text entitled Getting Away From It All. The name of character in this text is Mike O'Brien. The character in this text offers some expert tips for new backpackers. Next, there is a glossary. Tight, fitting closely or close is a adjective. Layer, thickness of some substance or material, often one of many. Layer is a noun. Vocabulary focus. A. Use be going to plus verb for plans you have decided on. For example, where are you going to do? I'm going to relax at beach. We are going to surfing every day. And I'm not going to do anything special. Next, use will plus verb for possible plans before you have made a decision. For example, what are you going to do? I'm not sure. I guess I will just stay home. Maybe I will watch a few DVD. I don't know. I think I will go camping. And I probably won't go anywhere. B. Modal for necessity and suggestion. First, describing necessity. For example, you must have a driver license. You need to make a reservation. You have to get a passport. You don't have to get a visa. Next, giving suggestion. You had better avoid the stalls on the street. You ought to pack a first aid kit. You should try some local specialties, and you should not carry a lot of cash. Meeting 6. Okay, no problem. Talking about people, complaints, household chores, requests, excuse and apologize. Neighbor versus neighbor. In this text, there are several situations that occur between neighbors, including the woman in the apartment plays her piano after midnight. The family across the street never cleans up their yard. The garbage blows into your yard. The guy next door always parks his car in front of your driveway. This text explains a situation that occurs between neighbors that makes one feel uncomfortable and provide a solution to resolve the problem that occurs in the text. Glossary. In this glossary, there are words whose meanings have been explained, so it is easier to understand the words. 1. Deliberately. 1. Resentment. Anger that grows over time. Resentment is a noun. Deliberately. On purpose. Deliberately is adjective. Irritate. To make somebody angry. Irritate is verb. Nerve. A condition in which one is very nervous and worried. Nervous is noun. Measure. A step taken in order to achieve something. Measure is a verb. Vocabulary focus. A. Two-part verb. Will for responding to request. Below, there are examples with nouns and with pronouns. With nouns with pronouns. For example, turn down the TV. Turn the TV down. Pick up your things. Pick your things up. With pronouns, turn it down. Pick them up. For request and response. For example, please turn down the music. Response, okay, I will turn it down. Pick up your cloth, please. For response, alright, I will pick them up. Request with modals and would you mind? First, modal plus simple form of verb. Example, can you turn the stereo off? Could you close the door, please? Would you please take your garbage out? Would you mind plus gerund? For example, would you mind turning the stereo down? Would you mind closing the door, please? Would you mind not putting your garbage here? That's all the explanation of the material from meeting 1 to meeting 6. Thank you all for your attention and sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you.